Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check screen time on your iPhone. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, what you want to do is open up your settings. From settings, you want to locate screen time. As you can see, here it is, screen time. And on first, you can see the first widget that's showing you the average screen time. If you don't have this, the first time you enter this application, it's going to basically ask you to allow it, enable it, or whatever. You want to do that. So this is for today, yesterday, all the days. You can click on See All Apps and Website Activity. And from here you can see in much greater detail like how many you spent on social, productivity and finance, entertainment, by your apps, how many times you picked up your phone, and etc. And you can also go by devices. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.